So today we're talking about what is perhaps the single most important skill to master when it comes to lifting heavy weights, and that's bracing. I'm going to cue you through how I coach bracing, so be sure to save this video as a reference. Bracing is the intersection of position, or how you're carrying the spine, rib cage, and pelvis, activation, or what muscles you're using and how, and pressurization, or how your breathing stabilizes the spine. I'll address all three here with some simple steps. I'm going to use the squat as an example, but much of this is exactly the same on the deadlift setup as well. It starts with position. What I call the stack is a spine and pelvis that aren't overly extended and a rib cage that isn't flared, a neutral position. You can get there easily by exhaling and feeling that rib cage descend while simultaneously not losing height through your skeleton or over crunching. As you exhale fully, you may start to feel those obliques or other abdominal muscles start to contract or tense. Hang on to that tension, as these muscles provide the foundations for our next step, which is breathing. After that initial exhale to find our neutral position, the next step is to inhale deeply and inflate the abdomen against that surrounding musculature without picking the rib cage back up again. We want a full and even expansion of the abdomen 360 degrees around, not just belly breathing out into the front. The result is a core that is very solid, stable, and able to transmit force between your feet on the ground and the barbell on your back. Be sure to follow for more tips.